So, how can a BIM-ready survey add value to an architectural project? BIM-ready surveys help with the initial design of a project, ensuring the data captured is fit for purpose. A BIM-ready survey is speedy. Swift delivery of survey data means the design team can quickly progress the project. A BIM survey provides a valuable, data-rich site reference throughout the design process. By providing accurate site data, a BIM-ready survey reduces commercial risk. In short, a BIM survey ensures a client project benefits from an improved use of time and accurate project scope. By preserving quality standards and controlling costs, a project starting with a BIM-ready survey should help you deliver a successful project and a happy client. To find out how a BIM-ready survey can help with your project, visit our website.